Hello everyone, welcome back to this sewing channel, and today we are going to make a lovely, gorgeous night out pouch. Look at this beauty. It's all made by false leather. It's quite big, and this project is very easy to make. I know I'm always saying it's easy, but it's really true. It's very easy. This is a normal pouch. We just gave to it a little, not a little, a gorgeous, beautiful detail and make it all the difference. So if you enjoy this project, please don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Stay with us until the end and learn how to make this night out lovely pouch. Let's go. To make our night out pouch, we are going just need some rainbow, 2 pairs of highlights, 1 zipper head, 1 zipper measuring around 14 inches and half, 2 pieces of fabric for the exterior measuring and 2 pieces of the lining fabric with the same measurement around 12 inches per 10 inches. I'm not going to use any interfacing. I'm happy with my structure, false leather, and this kind of fabric already gives some structure to our pouch. First of all, we are going to start to apply our zipper into our main fabric. So main fabric facing up, front of the zipper facing down, and we are going to make a suture. After that, we are going to sew our lining fabric. So front of the fabric with front of the fabric, and we are going to make another suture. To help you, if you do the second suture over here, you already have a suture before. It's like a guide to you. I will show you on the machine. So as I said, front of the fabric with the zipper. So we are going to make a suture here. Now we are going to put front of our lining fabric with front of our fabric, and let's make a suture as well. As I said, you already have a suture here, so it's going to be easier. With this, it could guide you. All done. Now you're going to turn it like this, and we are going to top stitch here, and after that we are going to do the same thing on this side. Now we are going to apply our zipper heads. So what normally I do, I open a little bit the zipper, I cut the teeth part a little bit, put this inside, and then I will put this part inside as well, and then I just pull it, and it's all done. Very easy. Now we are going to choose one side to put our lace and to mark our eyelets. So I'm going to use this part here. I'm going to use a ruler. I'm going to find the middle. I will measure 3 inches from the top, and then 3 inches for each side. 3 inches down Now another 3 inches for each side. I'm going to make so here is going to be our eyelets. So my eyelet, it's a little bit thick. So if I apply it on this fabric, it's going to be loose. So I need to fill this space here, and I will do that with some fabric as well. A little piece of fabric I will fold in half, and then I will draw the eyelet space, and then I will cut it. This way the space will be filled. Now let's cut this part here. We have our eyelet holes. So now we are going to get our rainbow. I'm using 21 inches, so the shining part facing down on the direction of our hole. We are going to make a suture here. Now we need to make the holes on the linen fabric. So I already made, just turn around and with the scissor just cut it. Now we are going to apply our eyelets. I have this tool here. I bought it with the eyelets. It's like came together. So I'm going to put this under my fabric. The eyelets I'm going to fit on here. Let's put the hole here. Now we are going to go through the rainbow. Now let's pull our linen fabric down, and now we are going to apply here this here, and let's get our hammer. All done. Here, if you want, you don't need to do the hold on the linen fabric. You just apply the same way, but then you apply the highlight here, and then you will cover with the fabric, and this is another way to do it. Now I'm going to apply on this side. All done. All done here. Now we are going to fold it, and we need to make sure this top stitch here is matching together, and then we are going to sew it all over. So normally I do first this suture here, then this here, and last this one here. Make sure the rainbows are inside. To give some volume to our pouch, we are going to make a square here 3 centimeters. So you are going to measure from the sutures, not from the fabric. Now we are going to cut it. Don't be afraid. Just cut it. And now we are going to open it like this. And we are going to make a sutures here. So if you do this, it's going to be very thick. So I advise you to put one for each side, and then let's make a suture. Now the same thing on the other side. Let's open. To hide this kind of sutures, we just need to apply some bias tape. I will not do it, otherwise the video will be very long. Now I'm going to turn the piece on the other side and show you the result. I hope you enjoyed this project. On the video I didn't show how to make these little details here, but it's very easy. We just cut a stripe of fabric, fold it in half and just make a suture, and that's it. It's very, very easy. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn the notifications on so you can be notified for the next easy peasy sewing video. I will see you on the next video. Bye!